Hello dear students, let us continue chapter 5 new PL calculations in part 2. Now new PL calculation case 2, when old ratio, new partner share and new ratio of old partner is given. Okay, then what to do? Step 2 ही है इसमें. First we will find out remaining ratio. Okay, then new partner share will be find out in case that is 1 minus new partner share जैसे पहले किया. New PL will be remaining into new PL. In this case also we will check out practical to understand it more. Okay, this is case 2. In this case what is given? See here, A and B are partners of a firm. They admit C with 1/6 share in the as a new partner. After admission of C, the new PL sharing ratio of A and B will be 2:1. In this case is where old ratio is given to us, new partner share is also given to us, and old partner's new PL is mentioned to us. In this case, we will follow same steps. First, we will find out remaining. Remaining is equal to, if total profit of the firm is 1, minus करें C का शेयर, that is 1/6. 1/6 C का शेयर है, वो माइनस कर दें. So remaining for 1/6 तो चला जाएगा पूरा का पूरा C को. A और B के लिए बाकी कितना बच जाएगा? 6 1 6 minus 1, that is 5/6. This is our remaining leftover profit. Now step 2, therefore new PL is equal to remaining multiply by share in new ratio. This way we will put here. So for partner A and for partner B, remaining for both will be same. बच कितना गया है? 5/6 part is remaining. Okay, 5/6 part is remaining. Share in new is this partner 2/5, this partner 3/5. Remaining multiply by share in new ratio. If you solve this again, it comes to, if we direct here multiply it directly, if you see, I can put it this way. This is there 2/6. Only further subdivide when it is commonly done. Here it can be commonly done this way. 2/6, 3/6. And already we know for partner C 1/6 है, डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, तो इक्विवेलेंस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ पे इसका न्यू शेयर हो जाएगा 1/6. So I finally put therefore new PL is equal to 2:3:1. Okay, so this is so simple, same one. Only information were given to us in this way. Old ratio, new partner share was given to us, and old partner's new PL was given to us in ratio. Okay, now in this case also, if I tell you कि we are supposed to find out sacrifice ratio, हाँ, simultaneously, तो sacrifice का तो पता है क्या है? old minus new, और sacrifice done by A, sacrifice done by B. Let us put it this way. old ratio दोनों का हमको पता है. Here old ratio, क्योंकि total silence था तो equally होगा 1/2, 1/2. New we know very well. Now 2/6 for A, 3/6 for B. Okay, so if you try to find out here, finally LCM comes to 6. Here you get remaining 1/6. This answer is also coming here. If you try to find out LCM 6 के अंदर, here it comes to 0/6. I mean to say this becomes a sacrifice done by partner A, while partner B is 0/6. So neither sacrifice nor gain. Anything divided by 6 will be 0, so nil. Neither sacrifice nor gain. Here only partner A sacrifices and as much A sacrifices, that much only C is getting. Okay, so this way, once we are ready with old and new, we can put into sacrifice very easily. Okay, let us go for next question and next case. Let us check third case. When new partner acquires specific share from old partner. पहले से बता दिया इतना शेयर इसको मिलेगा. बहुत सिंपल है ये और ये बहुत इजी है याद रखना. न्यू पीएल इज इक्वल टू ओल्ड माइनस सेक्रीफाइस. पहले से ही बता दिया है कितना है. ओल्ड में से सेक्रीफाइस माइनस करेंगे तो आपको न्यू मिल जाएगा. ओके, लेट्स चेक इट्स प्रैक्टिकल. Okay, we are doing one more question number 5 of textbook. Here, just to understand this concept once more. See, 3 partners are there. Earlier 2 were there. A, B and C are the partners sharing profit and loss in 5:3:2. So, I am writing in solution. See, first of all, we must see that what information is given in the question. Here, how many partners are originally are there? 3. A, B, C, and their old ratio is given to us 5:3:2. So I put it here. 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10 respectively for A, B and C is already given to us. Here D is admitted as new partner and D is supposed to be given. D is a new partner and A sacrifices 1/20th form his share and B sacrifices 3/40th share in favor of D. Here it is given to you who are sacrificing how much. Here information is such that A sacrifices 1/20th part and B sacrifices 3/40th part in favor of, they both sacrifice in favor of D. I mean to say C is not sacrificing anything to accommodate D. In this case, we will find out how to go for new PL method. उसी तरह से सिर्फ चलेंगे. यहाँ पे direct new partner share is not given. So, we will find out that also. Okay. If I put this way, that is sacrifice of partner A. Sacrifice done by partner A is 1/20. Sacrifice done by partner B is 3/40. Now इन दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर्स को मैं इक्वी बैलेंस करूं. इधर का 40 है तो इसका 40 बनाना है तो इसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी? 2 से. सो इट को बैलेंस करने के लिए दिस कम्स टू 2/40 and 3/40, which finally gives me sacrifice ratio as 2:3. Okay, now comes why I am doing all this. Okay, now here therefore D's share नया पार्टनर को कितना होगा? sacrifice done by partner 1 plus sacrifice done by partner 2. Here who is sacrificing? A is sacrificing 2/40 plus B is sacrificing 3/40. So LCM if you take it comes to 40. 2 plus 3. Simple mathematics 5/40. So in this way D's share will be how much? D's share will be 5/40. D का share हमको पता चल गया. Sacrifice done by partner 1 plus sacrifice done by partner 2. Now let us go for our main aim. New PL find करना है. New PL is equal to वही होगा old minus sacrifice. So simple it is. Okay. So let us move on with it. हम इसको solve कर रहे हैं. Okay. हमको करना है how many partners? Line them up. A, B, C, D सबको लिख देते हैं. A का old ratio है 5/10. B का old ratio है 3/10. C का old ratio है 2/10. लिखेंगे सबका. और D का तो कोई ओल्ड रेशियो नहीं है पर D फाइनली रिसीव्स 5/40. इसका फाइनल न्यू शेयर दिया हुआ है. इसका बैलेंसिंग के लिए यूज करेंगे. माइनस सेक्रीफाइस. A sacrifices how much? 2/40. B sacrifices minus 3/40. C doesn't sacrifice, to keep as it is, and let us solve it. If I go for solving, LCM is 40 here. If I put it this way, it will come to 40, and here 20. Here if I put it here, in this case 20 minus 2 will come 18 upon 40. Simple, solve it. 12 minus 3, it comes to, here this comes to total, it comes to 9. 9 by 40. Okay, this is 2 by 10. 2 by 10 है. इसको मुझे डिनोमिनेटर को बैलेंस करना है. डिनोमिनेटर को बैलेंस करना है, तो 10 को बैलेंस करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? 2 by 10 है, इसलिए इसको भी 4 से, इसको भी 4 से करना पड़ेगा. दिस gives me 8 by 40. ये तो ऑलरेडी है, इसका तो 5 by 40 रहेगा. Therefore, new PL is equal to 18 is to 9 is to 8 is to 5. This way I get new PL of partner. And at the same time, if I write sacrifice ratio is already I have calculated here. We have done sacrifice ratio only will be of A and B 2 is to 3. Okay. So this way this question is also complete. In this question, what was missing? New partner share was missing. So we have found out sacrifice done by partner 1 plus sacrifice done by partner 2 will give us new partner share. वो जितना sacrifice करेंगे उतना ही new partner gain कर सकता है. Okay. So this was the question. Let us move on to next. Fourth case, when sacrifice ratio of old partner is given. In that case, sacrifice is given now in ratio. Okay. So in this case, first you will find out sacrifice in share. फिर तो वही वाला है पहले वाला, न्यू इज इक्वल टू ओल्ड माइनस सेक्रीफाइस. सेक्रीफाइस को प्रपोर्शन में ढूंढना पड़ेगा. ये क्या दिया है हमको? रेशियो में. तो पहले आप फाइंड करेंगे, उसके लिए स्टेप 1 दैट इज न्यू पार्टनर शेयर मल्टीप्लाई बाय सेक्रीफाइस रेशियो, दैट विल गिव यू सेक्रीफाइस शेयर. एक बार सेक्रीफाइस प्रपोर्शन में मिल गया ना, तो न्यू इज इक्वल टू ओल्ड माइनस सेक्रीफाइस. ओके, लेट्स सी प्रैक्टिकल. This is next case, new one, textbook question number 6. Let us see the question. What does this case say? A and B are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. They have admitted C as a new partner for 1/10 share. So, let us keep here ready our information in solution. Old partners कौन है? A and B. Okay, I am putting this way. A, B, two partners. Their ratio is given to you. Which ratio this will be known as? Old. 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 2 by 5 respectively. New partner. Who is new partner? C. New partner C is admitted and C will get 1/10 share in future. C's share is given. Profit share of C as a new partner is given 1/10. Now he acquires this from A and B in equal proportion. That means sacrifice is given here, but sacrifice is given equal proportion, that is 1:1. When sacrifice is available in proportion, in ratio, this ratio has to be first converted into proportion. Then we will have to find out step 2 as new PL. Let us go for it. Very simple. This type of question, it is also there. In this case, first we will find out sacrifice share. Sacrifice done by partner. Ratio है तो उसको proportion में convert करना है. In short, step 1 जब हम करेंगे तो उस step 1 में हमको क्या find करना है? Sacrifice of whom? Of old partner. Sacrifice of old partner is equal to new partner share multiplied by sacrifice ratio. ओके, मल्टीप्लाई बाय सेक्रीफाइस रेशियो ऑफ ओल्ड पार्टनर. बहुत क्लियर है. सिंपल हम लिखे ना, न्यू पार्टनर शेयर इनटू सेक्रीफाइस रेशियो जो गिवन. सो वी विल फाइंड फॉर बोथ पार्टनर्स, पार्टनर ए एंड पार्टनर बी. गो फॉर इट विद हियर. इफ आई वी गो फॉर इट, न्यू पार्टनर का आपको शेयर कितना दिया है? 1/10. तो इधर भी 1/10 आएगा, इसमें भी क्या आएगा? 1/10. ओके, सेक्रीफाइस ऑफ ए इज गिवन टू यू 1/2. इनमें तो इक्वल है, इधर इक्वल है, हर बार इक्वल हो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. इसके लिए 1/20 is equal to 1/20. This is what our sacrifice of old partner. So this way 1/20 and 1/20 respectively we have got. Okay. Now we once sacrifice is available to us. Step 2 में क्या करना है? वही step 2 तो वही है. New is equal to what? Okay, अब याद होना चाहिए आपको, old minus sacrifice. So for A and for B, first you find out old is given to us 3/5, 2/5 minus sacrifice 1/20. इसका भी sacrifice 1/20. Okay, now in this case, और C का तो हमको पता ही है कितना है. C का 1/10. खाली इक्विबैलेंस करना पड़ेगा, हम सिर्फ लिख के रखते हैं ऐसा. सो लेट अस मूव ऑन. हियर एलसीएम कम्स. अब अगर आप एलसीएम ढूंढते हैं तो इट कम्स टू 20 एंड दिस कम्स टू 12 minus 1 is equal to 11/20. Here also LCM comes to 20. पता है ना, 20 LCM है तो goes in 5 4 times. 4 2s are 8. Goes in 20 1 time. 1 into 1 multiply by 1 1. So this comes to 7/20. इसको 20 बनाना है, इसके लिए डिनोमिनेटर को बैलेंस करना है. 2 into 2 करना पड़ेगा हमको. That comes to 2/20. Therefore, new PL is equal to 11:7:2. This comes here. Total of numerator must match with total of denominator. So this was the case. वापस से रिवाइज करो. Where old ratio is given, even new partner share is given, but sacrifice is given in ratio. So first we will convert this ratio into proportion. That is, we will find out sacrifice share. Let us go for one more question of same type. Textbook question number 7 will be doing next. Okay students, now this is question number 7 of your textbook. Let us do. A, B and C are three partners sharing profit and loss in ratio of 20, 40, 40. I have deliberately taken this so that you have idea about how to convert them percentages into ratios. And they have admitted D as a new partner for 1/8 share. New partner share is given and D receives his share from A and B in ratio. Okay, sacrifice is given, but it is given in what? Ratio. As question number 6. Same this is. Okay. This is as the question number 6 goes. Let us go for it. Solution करें. Okay. Old ratio is given to us. A, B, C. कैसे दिए? 20%. That means 20/100. 40%. 40/100. Again 40%. 40/100. That means if I put this way, other words, 2 is to 4 is to 4. Or I can put this way, 1 is to 2 is to 2 is their old ratio. Okay. First ऐसे ही ये solve किया हमने. Now, here it is very clearly told, new partner D का share कितना है? 1/8. This 1/8 he acquires from whom? A and B. Two partners he is acquiring. He obtains his share from B and C. It is B, partner B and partner C in this ratio. Okay, from partner B and partner C. That means BA कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा है, एक में changes नहीं आएंगी. Here if I mention इसको इतना मिलता है, लेकिन बी उसके लिए कितना सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा है 3/5 और सी कितना सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा है 2/5. So this much is very much clear to us. Now let us go for step 1. We will find out sacrifice share is equal to new partners share multiply by sacrifice ratio. Okay, sacrifice ratio of which partner? Definitely sacrifice तो old partner ही करेगा. So let us find out sacrifice done by partner B and C only. New partner का शेयर दोनों के लिए सेम रहेगा 1/8 definitely. और इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे sacrifice here 3/5 here 2/5. So finally here daddy result comes 3/40. Simple multiplication 2/40. Okay, B का 3/40, C का 2/40. अब जब सेक्रीफाइस मिल गया तो सिंपल है, वही ओल्ड कैसे फाइंड करेंगे. देयरफॉर न्यू PL इज इक्वल टू ओल्ड माइनस सेक्रीफाइस. ओके, इस तरीके से हम लोग मूव ऑन करेंगे. चलो सबके लिए एक तरह रख देंगे. ए के लिए आपको पता है वो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा है, तो सिर्फ बैलेंसिंग के लिए रखना है इसको. ए को हियर इफ आई पुट हियर his share is 1/5, he will put simply this way. B, yes, B के लिए ओल्ड कितना है, ओल्ड रेशियो B का ओल्ड है 2/5. C का भी मैं मेंशन कर रही हूँ, C का भी ओल्ड कितना है 2/5 माइनस सेक्रीफाइस 3/40 फॉर B. C के लिए माइनस सेक्रीफाइस 2/40. और D जो नया पार्टनर आ रहा है ना, उसके लिए तो प्री डिटरमाइंड अमाउंट है 1/8. सिर्फ बैलेंसिंग करनी पड़ेगी इन दोनों की. चलो पहले सॉल्व करते हैं. हर बार बैलेंसिंग से पहले सॉल्विंग हैज टू बी डन. डिनोमिनेटर 40 goes in 5 8 times. 8 2s are 16. इधर से डिवाइड, इधर से मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, 40 goes in हमें 8 2s are 16. 16 goes in 40 one time. Divide by 41. So minus 3. It gives you 13/40. And here same manner if I put na, so you will find out here it comes to 16 minus 2, so it comes to 14/40. अब इसका डिनोमिनेटर ए का देखो कुछ भी सेक्रीफाइस नहीं करे, 1/5 है. डिनोमिनेटर 40 तो बनाना पड़ेगा टू मेक द डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल या 40. सो 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे न्यूमरेटर को भी डिनोमिनेटर. सो 8/40 इसका रेशियो. इसको भी 40 बनाना है तो इट हैज टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय. डिनोमिनेटर को बैलेंस करना है, बैलेंसिंग ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर हैज टू बी डन. सो दिस कम्स टू 5/40. राइट नाउ देयरफॉर न्यू PL will be how much? Here if I line up 8:13:14:5. टोटल न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर का मैच होना चाहिए. ओके, on top of it this is there. Okay, and if I try to find out my sacrifice, here sacrifice also we have found out. Sacrifice is already given 3:2. Okay beta, so this was one more question we have done. If there is no change of new partner, no problem, उसको सिर्फ बैलेंसिंग करेंगे डिनोमिनेटर से. Okay, let us move on to next question.